About 2 weeks ago, an awful decision was made. I, a 25-year-old, full-grown adult, downloaded TikTok.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you,
I have downloaded TikTok finally, according to most people, and because of that, I have been exposed to so many new trends, particularly dark academia. Why do I love this trend so much? Probably because I'm getting married to a man who's literally a full-grown teacher and whose nickname in college was Dad, and who just so happens to be obsessed with Sherlock Holmes. That might be why I'm attracted to it. So this is my dark academia lookbook. Roll film.
For our first academia-inspired look, we're going to start with the basics. This trend is not a figurative texture and it's dark colors, so we're starting off with a black velvet dress and tights. Add some black boots to stomp around the imaginary campus and admire all the brick buildings in. I love these ones because of the floral decor on the side. For some extra preppiness, add your boyfriend's or your brother's colored polo underneath, because nothing screams I'm in school like a polo. To make it less Wednesday Addams and more of a full outfit, add some chunky jewelry. Then proceed to miss your ear hole several times and realize you're not that acquainted with your own anatomy. Then for the extra oomph, the bread and butter of the dark academia Sherlock Holmes aesthetic is the trench coat. I thrifted this one for $10. $10! Easy. The final touches to match this aesthetic is some coffee and an overwhelming amount of books, maybe a plaid scarf, and you have it, a Sherlock approved outfit. Seriously though, I felt like I could have been Enola Holmes' understudy, or maybe the hot professor every girl raises their hand just to talk to. So here I am pretending some super cute person asked me a question and I'm just like, I'm reading. Something about this big whooshy coat just makes you feel more like the main character of the movie, and we could all use that right now. Moving on to the next dark academia staple is the plaid skirt. Now I'm typically not into the schoolgirl fetish myself, but I gotta give it to them. This skirt, they're super flattering and fun to twirl. To keep it very fall librarian chic, I paired it with an oversized rust-colored sweater and my gold glasses. If I hadn't been dying in nursing school, only wearing leggings every day because I literally had no motivation to do anything else except pass, I think I would have loved to go on a library date like this. It would have been so cute. Debating about foreign affairs, pretending I know anything about geography, being on my knees, never mind, it's a Lutheran school. I could also see Hermione Granger wearing this while she's pretending to be a muggle, and honestly, I'm into that look. I'm into that aesthetic. For a more Slytherin / Gossip Girl Blair Waldorf outfit, we're going to play around with some layering, another go-to style for the dark academia aesthetic. To achieve this look, I layered a black lace tank top over top a cream-ribbed sweater. I feel like this look screamed mean popular girl, like Regina George. You hate her, but you're also going to keep cutting boob holes in your shirts because you secretly love her style. To finish off the look, I added a black belt around my waist. Now this is my only black belt I own, and it was way too big, so I had to make a new hole, but I don't have one of those hole punchy things, so I had to aggressively struggle putting all my strength into making a new belt loop, which took forever, but I finally did it. Belt struggling stories aside, I really do love this outfit, especially the lace detail in the back. When it connects to the black of the belt, I feel like it gives off more of an illusion that I have an hourglass shape, which I love. I can honestly see this outfit being worn by any Gossip Girl character outside the steps of the Met, pretending to care about her studies while actually just talking all about the drama. A huge aspect of this aesthetic that I love is the feminized menswear, pairing corsets with suits, bralettes with blazers, all these women owning their sexuality while still being bosses. Mwah, chef's kiss. In my take on it, I combined this nude bralette top and layered it over a darker nude turtleneck. Then I happened to have some small heels that matched the bralette perfectly. I added some tortoiseshell barrettes to my hair to give it just a little bit of extra spunk. Then threw on my gold glasses, which I desperately needed to see at this point. Here's me clapping at some gnats because one of my plants got infested and my entire house has gnats all over, but back to business. This outfit is so cute and casual and honestly super comfortable. I love this one.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
I couldn't do this aesthetic without doing some sort of date night look. There's something romantic about academia. Maybe I'm just into teachers. So I decided to pair this black plaid skirt with this black billowy pirate's top. I don't know why romance and pirates are synonymous, but it probably has something to do with Orlando Bloom playing Will Turner in the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. The only thing I don't like about this outfit is that it doesn't have pockets. I don't understand why they do that. Other than that, this outfit gets an A in my book. A, you get it. Academia. I should quit nursing and just be a dad. Alright, everyone knows this one. The business major frat guy. His name is probably Chad or Brett, and he acts like he has all these new ideas for the world, but he's actually just taking over his parents' multi-million-dollar business. Yeah, that guy. Though he isn't much fun to talk to, we date him because this guy's got some style. He always wears some sort of hoodie with a collar popped underneath. In my case, to make it more femme, I aggressively tucked it into my bra. Those butt-hugging jeans, you gotta have a backwards cap to turn around dramatically during flip cup, and some aggressively chunky dad sneakers. Add a solo cup to really pull off this vibe. All jokes aside, I think this is honestly such a cute and comfy look that you could pull off easily with stuff you already have in your closet. Another classic pairing in the academia aesthetic, turtlenecks and plaid. Even better that this plaid is in a blazer so I can pretend that I will ever have a need for professional attire when I literally just wear the same scrubs every day. In this, I feel like I give off just the right amount of eliticism that I could pass for a college professor, preferably one that teaches astrology and talks about the significance of horoscope pairings. While I do love this blazer a lot, it doesn't have pockets! That seems to be a common theme here. Anyway, back to my fantasy of being a professor. Can't you just see this outfit walking around the room casually spitting out facts about NASA? I also love how stretchy these paper bag pants are. When you pair them with some chunky boot heels, you can go from profesh to kick-ass real quick, which is always a plus, am I right, ladies? For a more casual look, dress the blazer down with some ripped mom jeans and brown suede heels. Add some brown sunglasses for a little extra spice. We're going for a professor off-duty look, like still approachable and smart, but also wants to go to the bar. Looking around, making sure none of their students are there, before proceeding to have one too many shots and dancing around the whole bar like an idiot. Realize a ton of their students are there, and they probably don't want them talking about this in class, so they whip out their blazer and leave out of there in a big huff. To me, this is the ultimate librarian look. It combines the aesthetics of a power suit, but it's monochromatic? Come on. To stay with the dark theme though, I chose this dark brown patterned turtleneck to layer underneath. Then I added this green headband for some extra preppy vibes, which so happened to be in that same perfect green. To give the outfit the full scenario, this screams, "Oh sir, you dropped your very important letter, I have to give it to you." But then you look at the letter and it's like, oh, who was it for? But then it was for you? Wow. And that's my last outfit. Thank you for indulging in all my academia fantasies. Hope to see you next time. Bye!